let's learn how to change your Apple ID password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for security reasons, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then, tap on your name at the top of the settings screen to access your Apple ID settings. Next, tap Password and Security. Now, tap Change Password. You may be prompted to enter your device passcode for security verification purpose. It's time to create your new password. Make sure it's a strong one with a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Now, re-enter your new password to confirm it. Finally, tap Change or Save to save your new password. There you go. You've successfully changed your Apple ID password. It's crucial to keep your Apple ID secure, so make sure to remember this new password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.